Hi, good morning. Welcome to Daily Report. Today I am still looking at market and waiting for tomorrow's Fed decision. This morning I was looking at these numbers. U.S. retail sales number actually they strengthened for last month. Technically, I mean, if you look from Fed's perspective, that's probably not what they were looking for. Like, think about it. If they are planning to do a rate cut, whether it's 25 basis point or no rate cut, or more than that, whatever the decision is, this probably kind of goes the other way. Like, if you are thinking about, they are looking for, okay, yeah, we want to do rate cut because economy is not doing good, we want to do rate cut because employment numbers are looking bad. But when you hear this thing, this is not a good sign. And again, I still feel we may be looking at 25 basis point rate cut this week from Fed. But and market is reacting today. If you saw that, majority of the stocks are down, excluding few, and Tesla is on the run. I mean, no doubt about it. Like, after the election, I was thinking that it's gonna go up, but to my surprise, it actually exceeded my personal expectation, because it's just on this crazy run. And I personally feel like talking about Tesla, right? All of these stalled projects, right? The self-driving um, thing, like Tesla. I mean, if you look at Tesla, it's not just the car company. I mean, they played a bigger game like few years ago. They open sourced their tech, essentially. um, and many were saying that, hey, why would you do that? Why would you let your competitor have access to your battery technology, your charger, how you built your charger, etc.? But he was playing a bigger game. He wanted his standards to be adopted by other car companies, and that's what happened, right? Go back a year, probably less than a year. um, Elon Musk dropped prices of cars by more than 5 grand, 10 grand, and many were like, literally. And by the way, stock dropped around that point of time. And I was thinking to myself, like, hey, why would Elon Musk, do that? The obvious reason was the sales were declining, right? The Because of the high interest rate environment, the sales were getting impacted. In fact, majority of people who were looking at Tesla stock at that point of time, they were kind of thinking that way. But if you go even deeper, you'll find out that it was a move to actually kill the competition. Because if he is dropping the prices, means he is now trying to eliminate the competition. He is making Tesla more affordable. That means when a normal person, a family, is trying to make a decision, hey, I want to buy an EV, right? What are my options? You have, you know a Nissan Leaf, you have few other options out there. And price is one of the discussions that come, of course. And when you have lower price, people believe in Tesla, and that's what happened. So I think all of these moves were crazy, and people are not paying attention right now. They are, okay, yes, they are paying attention to this uh, self-driving technology, which in my opinion, it's probably going to go huge. But there's another business Tesla is building, and I know I'm kind of going off the uh, topic here, but solar charging. So they have these, and then these battery charging, storing tech that he's building, and it is actually picking up a lot of momentum in terms of revenue. So I think you have something going on, real thing going on within Tesla, and that's why I think investors are reacting that way, because now they see that some of the roadblocks that were there, they are probably gonna go away, and that is why Tesla is on the run. Anyways, enough about Tesla. Let's come back to we have strong sales number today morning. We'll see how Fed will react to it, but definitely I'm seeing a lot of red today in the market overall. Um, I look at some of these other news here, and MicroStrategy got included in I believe either Nasdaq or S&P 500, so it's kind of up. You know, um, Nvidia is seeing a big correction right now. Hopefully, it will recover, and it will recover actually, uh, and very soon actually. So we'll see. Right now, I go to our dashboard. Even today, I see the market breadth is still in the downward direction. I have here more number of stocks in downtrend today, positive 9 from yesterday, and then less number of stocks in uptrend today, minus 1. Yesterday it was 107, today it's 106. It's still in that downward direction, but eventually, whether it's in next few days, maybe a week, it will start turning around, and then you may see another run that's gonna happen, and it's kind of coinciding with the Christmas week, which is, whatever they say that, this Santa run or whatever they call it. But I think it's probably gonna happen, and I'm seeing the signs of that right now. So um, maybe a good idea if you are trading for next week, you may find good opportunities this week, not next week. So keep an eye on it. We have fewer stocks in bull list today, just three. Yesterday they were two. So we have more stock in bear list. Means, as I said, overall things are looking like it's about to turn, and you may see another small bull run by end of this year, unless Fed decide to ruin that party. We don't know yet, but we'll see. Um, from the news perspective, as you can see, you can get access to news here on our dashboard. Some of the trending headlines, some of the news which is getting a lot of coverage. You can see that here. Um, it's kind of in line with what I was telling you. MicroStrategy got included in Nasdaq, actually, not S&P 500. Um, SMCI got kicked off, so MicroStrategy actually took its place. So Nvidia stock is in correction, and there are a bunch of other news which is getting a lot of coverage today. You can see that here. That's all I have for today. Hope to see you all tomorrow, and let me know if you have any questions. And thanks, and have a wonderful day.